Do not advertise for the sake of advertising. Don't ask the question of what do you want to advertise this month, because none of that actually makes any sense at all. Hey guys, Jason Harris here with Digital Dealership Solutions. Hey, thanks for joining me in another episode of The Drive. I just finished with a phone call to a very, very cool client of ours. Hey, one key takeaway that came out of this quick phone call I had with them was what your guys' content strategy is for 2019. It's cool that I hear a lot of dealerships are now hiring and looking for in-dealership marketing people, to create creative and to manage social media and so on and so forth. But if we don't have a goal and objective in place, then none of it actually matters, both in your new department, your used department, your parts and service. Like, these goals need to be very, very, very specific. And because it's going to ensure that you guys aren't wasting marketing dollars. I'd love to hear what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on this. Hey, drop me a comment down below. If you guys have got this in the bag, great. Hey, if not, I'm pushing you. Really, really need to do this. Thank you guys so much for your time, and you have a wonderful day.